Rahway, New Jersey. A woman is taking a liking to somebody's Halloween decorations. Welcome to Doorbell Updates. Brooklyn, New York. Newark, New Jersey. Some teenage girls get curious about something on somebody's porch. Oklahoma City, Oklahoma. Pompano Beach, Florida. Some girl is standing around somebody's house late night. Elizabeth, New Jersey. Brooklyn, New York. Well, you see how fast she's moving. Detroit, Michigan. A very strange encounter late night with a person.
We can't answer the door right now, but if you'd like to leave a message, you can do it now.
My porch. Get off my porch. No, get off my porch. Get off my porch, please.
Can you help me?
No, get off my porch. Hello, get off my porch.
Can you call the police for me?
No, get off my porch, please. I'll call the cops.
I want you to.
Get off my porch.
Can you call the police for me, please? You gonna call them for me?
Get off my porch, please.
Okay, good.
Yuri.
If you enjoyed today's video from Doorbell Updates, make sure you like, subscribe, and comment for more weekly content. Again, I thank you for watching.